but it did meter 55s at 28.
Okay. Awesome.
I'm not saying that it's gonna meter anything above 50.
Yep.
We did a little work. Like I said, the meter wasn't brand new like ISBL meters, but you know, we'll see what it does today.
Yes, sir. Thank you, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I just got done putting back that door panel on.
Okay.
I blew a fucking crimp earlier.
Really? Uh-oh. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
I'm Jessie. I am running 4 Scar VXF 12s on 2 brand new Unreal 3600s.
Okay.
And then in the doors, right now I'm just running a mixture of SkyHigh audio and Alphasonics.
Okay. Nice. Is there a port?
Yeah, it's 2 top-facing ports.
Got it.
Originally it was tuned to 40. That was on low power. We really haven't guessed the tuning on high power.
Yep.
But it likes anything below 30.
Okay. Have you metered it at all, just to see?
We metered it a few weeks back. Before I did a little bit more, messing around.
Yep.
We're not sure if the meter was actually correct because it wasn't like a brand new meter.
Yeah.
But it did meter 55s at 28.
Okay. Awesome.
I'm not saying that it's gonna meter anything above 50.
Yep.
We did a little work. Like I said, the meter wasn't brand new like ISBL meters, but we'll see what it does today.
Yes, sir. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around we got of Jessie's system. He was showcasing this system at the Made of Steel show in 2021. It was located around Tampa, Florida area at the time. So if you haven't already, go ahead and comment, give him some positive things you like about his system, as well as give him a like. He did a really good job showcasing it. I like the layout of the box. Subs forward, port up seems to be pretty optimal for most systems in a truck. Not every system, but majority of them. I don't know how big the box was. I kind of wish I would have got a box specs on it, but he did have the ports in the back. Very unique style. I normally would see just a single slot port. It had a double port, so maybe more bracing was inside of the enclosure to make it work like this. Maybe it also wasn't enough port area to play the higher notes, so it was doing really well in the low notes. Probably that lower port area helped on the lower notes for that reason. Didn't really find out any information about what these amplifiers were wired to. I'm just going to assume they are at 1 ohm each. I didn't also find out what size alternator or battery power he had. I did see a quick glimpse of some AGM Duracell batteries behind the seat. So let's just assume he has a high output alternator on Duracell AGM batteries. So this makes a total of 7,000 watts between 4 1500 watt RMS subwoofers in this demo. So go ahead and give him a like, as well as comment some positive things. We're getting to the base demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for more daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo.
What up, John? It's gonna be a shit creamer. It's DJ Watch the Clothes. A lot of women out here. Yeah, now they wanna do it every time, so. You gotta give them something new to say. Like what? Let's make it something else. Juicebox. messing with your boy, tryna drink my unborn. Licking on each other, acrobatics with their tongue. Shake it like Beyonce, go in.
Reflected a lot and everything, so. Have you metered it at all, just to see?
We metered it a few weeks back, before I did a little bit more, messing around.
Yep.
We're not sure if the meter was actually correct because it wasn't like a brand new meter.
Yeah.
But it did meter 55s at 28.
Okay. Awesome.
I'm not saying it's gonna meter anything above 50.
Yep.
We did a little work. Like I said, the meter wasn't brand new like ISBL meters, but we'll see what it does today.
Yes, sir. Thank you, man.
Yep,
Have a good day. Thanks. Nice to meet you.